Hi everyone, my name is Christine Marie H. Carumba. I live in Indahag, Cagayan de Oro City, and I am a first-year student at Twinma, Cagayan de Oro City. My course is BS Education. One fact about me, I love doing DIY things and crochet. And my expectation in this class, having fun and enjoy while learning. And that's all. Thank you.